How's it going, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be installing some BC coilovers as well as some Truhart rear LCAs. The brake line brackets are held in by two 12mm bolts. The lower damper fork bolt is going to be 17mm. The damper pinch bolt is going to be 14mm. Now with the lower forks loosened, we can come up top and loosen up the strut bolts. Jeez. Moving on to the rear, the strut towers are going to be 17mm. Let's bonk this with a hammer. Tighten up the top strut bolts, you're going to want to either use a jack to support on the LCAs or lift it yourself with another person tightening the bolts. To adjust ride height on the coilovers, you want to first loosen up the lower spindle here. Once the lower is loosened, you can start turning the top spindle either counterclockwise or clockwise depending on your desired height.